Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the optical tools that create smooth background blur. Choose a fast prime lens and set the aperture to the lowest f-number available. This reduces depth of field and isolates the subject. Once done, increase focal length or move physically closer. Both compress background and enlarge bokeh discs. Make sure to pick a background with highlights or lights. Those bright points turn into pleasing out-of-focus shapes. Now frame your subject so the background is distant and uncluttered. This maximizes the effect. You now set exposure and focus precisely. Put the camera in aperture priority or manual mode so you keep that wide aperture. Then dial ISO and shutter to get correct exposure without closing down the lens. Once exposure reads good, switch to single-point autofocus and place the point on the subject's nearest plane eyes for portraits, petals for macro. Sharp focus there ensures the background melts away. If needed, use back button focus for stability and recompose carefully while holding focus to preserve separation. You finish by composing and refining until the image reads smoothly. Position the subject well away from the background and include a simple foreground for depth. This helps the eye settle on the subject. Once composed, take multiple frames while varying distance and aperture to compare bokeh quality. If highlights become harsh or busy, increase distance between subject and background or open the aperture a touch. Finally, if the background still distracts, change angle or swap to a longer lens. Those small moves often fix the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.